leader is Gary, followed by Kenny, and then Herbie. David, you've got a bit of work to do, mate. It's all that chocolate you've been eating.
I'm happy with it.
So what's the gap between these two? 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. Okay, the gap between Kenny and Gary and Kenny minute is just over a second. It looks like it's actually a bit closer now, actually. So Gary's diesel was starting to knock. He's trying to starting to shake. Kenny's got that gap down to half a second. Herbie, you're still in third place, followed by Matt, I think it is, yep. Matt and Davey Smith. Oh, Gary's opened the gap back up to 2 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 5, 7. You're on lap 5. And the gap between. We'll bother with that one. That's the rails leader starting to catch you, Paul, just to make you aware. Well done.
How did that possibly manage that? I don't know. I honestly do not know. Dug his wheel and he just stopped dead, man.
Oh no, Herbie's wrong. Ah. So, Davey, you're up into third place now because Herbie's dead. And the gap between you two guys is now 3.5 seconds between Gary and Kenny. 3 minutes, 1 second. 2, 3, 1, 6, 5, 4, 7. You're on lap 7. Right, Davey, you've got a clean track in front of you, mate, so you've got no problems bar got on with it. Cheers, Gordon. Cheers, Matt. That was a bit of how long we go? Right, guys, you're in your last minute. Kenny, you're we've got a second and a half off. 6, 5, 7. Gary at the minute. 4, 3, lap 9. I think Gary's starting to tighten back up again.
Drivers for the final two-wheel drive, please get ready. Start at the bottom of the stairs. Drivers for the two-wheel drive, please get ready. Start at the bottom of the
through for another lap, maybe? Maybe no. My computer's froze, so I didn't care.